Cars again. So I'm just gonna head out Brothers here. But I was just talking to Prince, and we're going to get the stuff fixed, which will be nice. And they're gonna redo this door, which wasn't done properly. They'll fix it while they're fixing the other stuff, which was my mistake. Well, it wasn't really my mistake, but it was my fault, I guess, when those two brackets snapped. And what happened was the rack, when those two snapped, the awning, there's a metal piece on it that went right into the back of the truck right there. And then on this side, the clip that's there went into the tonneau cover and the side of the truck. I got the things for the Max Tracks. I can't think this morning. The Max Tracks right there. The Rhino rack brackets that are on there actually cut into the side. So I touched that up as well, just for the summer because we were on the road. And now that we're into fall, I've got a bit more of an open schedule before we get into our winter camping and fall camping. I'll kind of have to work around that, but I don't have any travel plans. I don't have any more rallies. I don't have any more seminars. I don't have any more shows. So right now it's just kind of all free, kind of working around what I've got. So, and plus their schedule. So I got to get the tonneau cover replaced. So I'm debating what I do there, and I've got to get those repairs and the door done. So I got to contact Wrap Guys and let them know what's happening as well, so they can prep all that stuff and get it all ready for next season, essentially, because this is the time to do it all, when it's winter time and we are not doing much. So I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just waiting for this car now that's just backed out in front of me. This isn't the one that snapped, but that one snapped, and on the back of this one snapped. And the awning that's here, it's got this metal piece right there. Well, that went into the truck right here. I touched it up with black paint the best that I could, just so it wouldn't rust and blend in a little bit. That I know that they will try to pull most out, but it'll most likely just get bondoed. But that really bugs me. And with that being said, I'm gonna push this back a little bit as well. So it's not right there. I'm gonna push it back just a little bit. So it's a little bit more safe. And then this part here, this is the other one that snapped. And then that one snapped, which meant that it was doing this. So that right here dug into the tonneau cover. And then this piece right here, which holds the shovel and the axe, came down here and into there, which I touched up as well. A little hard to see, but you can kind of see that I touched this up as well. So those are the issues. And while they are at it, the tonneau cover will get replaced, and then this door that is the wrong color, which is hard to see at times, is going to get redone as well. So right now I'm heading down to our insurance company, ICBC, in regards to the difference in the door. The body shop said that because it's new paint, it's a different color. Even though the last time when they messed up with the wrinkle in the paint, it was the correct color. So I'm just getting bullshit from them, and I'm tired of it. So I've actually left them a bunch of reviews, and I've also, I'm building more to the set. I've also left them a Better Business Bureau review, and which they don't like. And I'm going to talk to the insurance company who pays them to do the job correctly, to have them look at it. They can see the difference. If they're fine with it, then I guess I have to live with it. But that's not the way it should be, or in my opinion, it's the wrong color, no matter how you look at it. So I've got about 13 minutes till I'm there. So I almost forgot. That's the big problem there. But here we go. I did send them some pictures as well, but we got a beautiful day, so he'll be able to see it. The truck isn't washed, so you'll be able to see it dirty. If they got a rag or whatever, we can clean it. But you definitely will see the difference, and it needs to be fixed for the 5th time. You think a shop would want to do it once. You think they would get it right the first time. They keep going on about previous issues. There was no previous issues. There was some rust that they found, and I asked them if they could fix the rust. They never charged me for it, and I figured that was because they messed up so many times. So I've never questioned it. But now that's a big issue. You know, thank you guys for fixing it. But you should have done the job right in the first time with the paint and everything. I guess this one. I don't know. We're just actually just talking, because I got that other thing that I made, where the thing snapped in the back and then it dented the back and the side. So I should make a claim on it and see what happens. It's my fault, so I'd have to pay the deductible. But his conclusion on the door is, yes, it is a different color. I'm going, thank you. I know it's a different color, and it's not just my OCD. I know it's a different color because I can see it. So now what he's going to do is he's going to give them a call, and I'm going to send all the communication I have had with them, because he's going to give them the first right of refusal. And if they don't fix it, then they will actually pull that money back from them, and we'll go to a different shop. Yeah, so this is one of the things.
And the other, oh, there. I thought you were talking about.
Well, no, what happened was this, because this snapped. Yeah, this one snapped, as you can see right here. This I had to bend back, which went into the tonneau cover. So this has to get replaced. We replaced this, but this arm needs to get replaced. This, which is a Rhino rack, hit here and went down into here, which I covered up with paint. So this wrap needs to be fixed, and this needs to be fixed. Now this side, Caden was doing the tour, but I guess not. This one broke. So this one broke, and that one broke. So because this one broke, that means this whole thing bent down this way. And
It was the awning that scratched there.
yeah, so it sent the awning into there. So that means this wrap has to get fixed, which means this will get fixed. And because the door was painted wrong, now this has to get matched to this and the other side. This is fine, except for right here, which drives me nuts. They should have actually run this longer and tucked this in. So I'm gonna talk to the wrap company about getting this fixed, because this bugs me. All right, we are leaving Brothers. I just had a talk with the manager, and he's going away, so that makes things a little bit more difficult. Here we go again. Truck is still sitting there. They sent in the estimate for the repairs, and I guess with the wrap and the wrap and the rack and the repairs are like $10,000. And it doesn't make sense to me. It's nuts. I don't think that ICBC would replace it or fix it for that. So I'm not too sure what's going to happen, because I need to get reassessed, because the value of the truck, like if I were to buy that truck now, is not the value that that truck is worth, because of everything that's been added with the lift, the tires, all the modifications. That truck is not the blue book value. So I've been trying to find somebody to get it assessed, and they said, oh, you know, take pictures and blah 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 blah. I said, you know, it's easier if you see it. And then they never got back to me. So I'm waiting to hear from them. I did mention that to Prince as well, because maybe he has a guy that can do that, the assessment, because ICBC is going to go off the blue book price. So I'm heading down to my electrician for the truck. They want to disconnect the canopy and take it off. So I just went over everything with Roman. We're at United because the guy that does my electrical is amazing. So what they're gonna do is a quick disconnect for everything that runs down this column right here. I've got all my solar, electrical, everything for the antennas and everything. So some sort of disconnect that they can take it off. And later on, if I need to, I can disconnect it and take that all off. So that's perfect. But now I have to head down to the auto body shop and talk to them about keeping it in order to get this side rewrapped properly. Just stopped to see how the truck was doing. Doesn't look like he's done anything yet. It's noon on Friday. But we did go to Brothers and we got the piece that we needed for the rack.
Doggos?
What'd I say?
Brothers.
Oh yeah, we're going to Brothers. So this is the piece that I need because this piece got all bent up. So Lee gave us this piece, so we'll drop that one off to them. And hopefully we'll have the truck back next week without canopy. My truck's still here. I thought they disconnected it all. Oh, maybe they connected it back up so they could take the rack off. Oh, they just disconnected it right here. Everything's cut right there. Interesting. Oh, that's hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not light.
Doesn't look good on a Ford.